Hello everyone, for this video we'll go quickly to assign footprint in KiCad. Assigning footprint is necessary to define the physical representation of schematic component for PCB layout. So now let's go quickly to assign footprint. Look at the top, find the assign footprint, click on here. For now, the place we can assign the footprint. For here, look at the left, find the capacitor type of SMD. So now here, so look at the right side, find the type of footprint. So you can use any footprint that make easy for you to find it. So now I want here, let's click use select footprint. For you can voice the 3D by click on here. For now I want this type of capacitor, double click and then double click. So C2 I want the here double click and then double click again. So find the LED block. So now scroll down and here the type of LED. So I want here double click and then the screw terminal is the type of connector. So now look at the left side, find the terminal block here. So double click on here, double click again and resistor. So I want the SMD resistor. So now find the resistor SMD. I want double click on here. With this assigning footprint, you can correspond to real-world package with the correct dimension, arrangement, orientation that allow accurate PCB manufacturing and assembly. So click OK.